Okay, so if you're watching this video, it's because you need a little help remembering how to add and subtract decimals. So the number one rule that we have to remember is you must line up the decimal so that we keep our place value correct. So if I was going to solve this first one here, I would write it like this. I would do 3.21, and then I would line it up plus 41.321. And then I would just add. If it bothers you to have these empty spaces, you could always add in zeros so they're not empty. But I'm just going to leave them blank for this. So I looked through it. I have nothing plus 1, so that equals 1. I have 1 plus 2, so that equals 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. I bring my decimal straight down. I don't have to count anything. I don't have to move it. I just bring it straight down. 3 plus 1 is 4. And nothing plus 4 is 4. And that is how you would solve this for adding. Now, so this one's pretty straightforward. You don't have to borrow or anything like that. But let's do a subtraction one. So let's do this problem here. I have 4.506 minus, and I have to write it in this order. So the first number is the top one. 1 decimal points must be lined up, so 0.35. If I don't line the decimals up, I'm not going to get the right answer. In fact, if you need to, you could just bring it straight down before you even start solving. So once again, you could add zeros in here if you don't like having that blank space. So here I have 6 take away nothing, so that of course is 6. Now I have 0 minus 5. I cannot take 5 away from 0, so I must borrow from my neighbor. If I borrow from this neighbor, he had 4, I leave him with 5, and I carry this 1, so now I have a 10, because it brought over one place value, so 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 3 is 1, and 4 minus 1 is 3. That is it. Go ahead and practice on the IXL skill for a little bit.